Hi, it's Jen with Cherry Tree Beads, and today we're going to make these quartz and stainless steel component earrings. So we're going to start by wire wrapping the top of our teardrop and attaching it to the stainless component. I'm using 22 gauge stainless wire, and I'm going to want to string it through my quartz piece. And then I'm going to want to leave one side a little bit longer than the other for the top. So I'm going to bend both sides up and have them crisscross at the top. Then I'm going to take my pliers, and the longer one, I'm going to bend that up right at the point. Then I'm going to, since it's a little tricky, I'm going to try holding this right here, since there's really nowhere to put my pliers right there. And I'm just going to take this and coil it around. And then I'm going to take my cutters and I'm going to cut off the excess wire. And then I'm going to take my pliers and put them at the top, and I'm going to bend it away from me at a 90-degree angle. And then I'm going to take my pliers and put them in there, and I'm going to bend that around and make a loop. And I'm going to open that loop up a little bit so that I can string it onto here in the center. So I'm just going to attach that, and then I'm going to hold it right here, and I'm going to coil it back around. And then I'm going to cut off the excess wire. And that's attached. So now I've got 4mm jump rings. And I'm going to take my pliers, find where it's opened, and I'm going to put one pair of pliers on one side and pliers on the other side, and I'm just going to gently twist that open. And then I'm going to attach my chain. I'm going to attach that to my component. And I'm going to take pliers on either side and twist it back into place closed. Then I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Attach the jump ring and attach it to the component. And then twist it back into place. And then, oops, I forgot to cut wire. Got a little piece right here. So I'm going to take this, I'm going to bend it down, and I'm going to put my pliers there and make my little loop. And I guess I could just go ahead. I'm going to coil that around. We'll do the top first and then go down to the bottom. Snip off your excess, and then we're going to string on the 2 pyrite heishi beads. I'm going to make a loop. And then right here, I'm going to want to attach my chain. Make sure the chain's not twisted and it all looks good. Then I'm going to put my pliers on that little loop I've created, and I'm going to coil this back around. And then I'm going to cut off the excess wire. I'm going to take my ear wire and I'm just going to twist it open, attach my loop, twist it back into place, and then you have a pair. All the supplies can be found at cherrytreebeads.com. And we also have all these supplies in an 18 karat gold stainless as well, if you prefer gold over the silver. Thanks so much for watching.